Space and Furniture Design Business Archetype changed the default footer on their site, adding navigation, search, and social media icons. With these enhancements, they're able to put their best footer forward. How'd they do that? Every site built with Weebly automatically includes a footer that links back to Weebly. If you'd like to remove this or add content of your own, all you need is an upgrade to one of our paid subscriptions. This means that if you have Starter, Pro, or Business, you can alter your footer however you see fit. Click anywhere on the footer to edit it. We'll first present you with a number of different layouts you can use to kickstart your content. Select the one you like, and now add anything else you want to the footer area. Forms, links, social icons, pictures, and many other elements can be dragged and dropped into place, in addition to the elements that are included with whatever layout you've chosen. Anything you don't want, just delete it. Whatever you add to the footer area will appear at the bottom of every page of your site, so you might want to use this area for information you want to make sure is available to your visitors at all times. Or you can simply leave it blank. And that's how you do that.